Life doesn't come with a manual. It comes with heartbreak, setbacks, rejection, and moments that make you want to quit. But if you listen carefully, life is teaching you rules. Rules most people never learn. And here's the truth. If you don't learn the rules, you'll keep repeating the same cycles. But once you do, everything shifts. Today, I want to give you the rules. The ones life won't say out loud. The ones that transform ordinary people into unstoppable people. Rule number 1, you can't row alone. We live in a culture obsessed with independence. Do it yourself. Prove them wrong. Grind alone. But the truth, the people who rise the highest are never the ones rowing alone. Isolation is weakness. Connection is power. Pain point, burnout is everywhere because people are carrying loads they were never meant to carry alone. Solution? Build your crew. Stop looking for perfect people. Look for committed ones. Surround yourself with those who fill your gaps and push you forward. Rule number 2, life will hand you silent rejections. There will be times when you pour your best into something and life responds with silence. No applause, no recognition, no reward. That silence cuts deep because it feels like invisibility. Pain point. Most people quit in this exact season. They can't handle being unseen. Solution. Don't mistake silence for failure. Keep moving in the dark. The world won't clap for the seed. It claps for the tree. Stay rooted long enough to grow. Rule number 3. Failure is the hidden gem. Failure is not punishment. Failure is training. Every rejection, every missed shot, every closed door is a hidden workout. You don't get stronger from success. You get stronger from struggle. Pain point. Most people treat failure like a verdict instead of a classroom. They stop showing up. Solution. Flip the meaning. Every failure is a rep. Every rep builds strength. If you can fail forward, you will succeed beyond measure. Rule number 4, stop playing it safe. Most people move inch by inch, clinging to safety. But safety is the slowest form of failure. There are moments in life when you have to leap, when you have to try something bold before you feel ready. Pain point. Playing it safe feels good in the moment but guarantees regret later. Solution. Take smart risks. Launch the idea. Speak up. Bet on yourself. Playing it safe is expensive. Boldness pays better. Rule number 5. Fear only leaves when you face it. Fear circles you like a predator. The more you run, the bigger it gets. The only way it shrinks is when you face it head on. Pain point. Most people wait for fear to disappear before they act, but fear never leaves on its own. Solution. Act anyway. Fear is proof you're on the edge of growth. Move through it and watch it lose its grip. Rule number 6. Your true power shows in the dark. The real test isn't when life is good. It's when everything falls apart. Who you are when the lights go out, when no one's clapping, when no one sees, that's who you really are. Pain point. Most people lower their standards in hard times. They fold under pressure. Solution. Decide now that the dark will not break you. Be calm when life is chaotic. Be disciplined when no one's watching. That's how greatness is forged. Rule number 7. Be the voice of hope in the mud. When life buries you neck deep in stress, debt, heartbreak, or struggle, the easiest thing is to give up. But sometimes, one voice of hope can shift the entire atmosphere. Pain point. Hopelessness spreads faster than anything else. People quit because no one around them believed. Solution? Be the spark. Speak life. Encourage others even when you're hurting. Hope is oxygen, and you might be the one keeping others alive. Rule number 8. Don't ring the bell. Every day life tempts you with an easy exit. Quit the dream, quit the fight, quit on yourself. But quitting only feels easier in the moment. Long term, it costs you everything. Pain point. Most people underestimate the lifetime cost of quitting. Solution. Don't ring the bell. Don't give up on the vision. Push through one more day, one more round, one more step. The prize is always after the pain. If you want to change your life, you don't need luck. You don't need talent. You don't even need perfect timing. You just need to learn the rules. Build your crew. Don't quit when life is silent. Treat failure as training. Take bold risks. Face fear head on. Be strongest in the dark. Carry hope when everyone else has lost it. And never ever ring the bell. Do these things and your life won't just improve. It will inspire generations after you.